So, this is my first time going to Hawaii. I am super excited, super excited. I wanted to see if grounding in nature has a different effect in different locations. I wanted to know, does the energy change from one place to the next? I love being in nature, I love being outside. So, going to Hawaii, I wanted to see if my connection in nature changes geographically. So, stay tuned for the ride and let's explore Hawaii together. What all came of this? Getting there to Hawaii, I was so mind blown. Like just the scenery alone, seeing the water and seeing that we were literally surrounded by water. Like, of course, I know it's an island, right? But the reality, it kind of set in quickly once I got there. And we started landing, and immediately by landing, you can already feel, well, for me, I'm already able to feel the shift, the realization that I am really on an island and the energy is already shifting. Dancing by the water to baptize myself. Dancing by the water to baptize myself. Woo! And the waves, oh the waves, oh the waves, oh the waves. Oh the waves. Yes. The way the sun shines on me, the way the sun shines on me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yada, yada, yada. Almost high, almost high, almost high, almost high. Show me the way, show me the way, show me your way, show me your way, show me your way, show me your way. I got the chicken and it looks like I don't know what bird that is, but they both right here with me. Ashay. Looks like a cardinal, but the chicken is about this business. And all the birds draw to you. They just walk up on me. Guess that's a good thing. This tree is massive. Wow. Look at this tree, y'all. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. You guys see this? Oh my goodness. Wow. There's a lot of birds in here though. I don't want to get dutied on. So I ain't gonna be under this tree. There's a lot of birds in here. Hi. What you say? 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 What you say now? What you say? What you say now? What you say?
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow.
island out there in the distance is said to represent the tip of his tail when he was in the form of a lizard. Now that island is also called Poi Powders Island because it looks like the powders that are used to make taro into poi. And lastly, it is called Chinaman's Hat because it closely resembles the hats that some of the very first Chinese immigrants wore while working in the plantation fields back in the 19th century. Speaking of sugarcane, this open field here to your left-hand side at one point was, for a very brief time, a
So from there, I went to the gift shop. I absolutely love, love, love those macadamians. I wish I would have got more. They were so good, especially with the pineapple and mango hot sauce. Oh my goodness, it was the bomb. And I'm a big fan of fruit, so I had to try the Hawaiian pineapple. And they had like this seasoning type thing that they put on the pineapple. Oh my goodness. It was so good. It was so good.
he was third in line as far as succession to the throne.
The birds is talking, okay? The birds got it. They got so much to say. Listen to the birds, y'all. Them Hawaii birds. Okay, they up there having a meeting. They talking about something. Listen. Listen, y'all. I feel like I didn't get the footage in here good enough. Look at these trees, y'all. Come on now, look at this tree. So then I found a tree that I felt so connected to. I sat around this tree, well, stood around this tree barefoot, and I was really trying to connect with the energy to see what I would feel next to the tree, what comes to mind, what energy was in the air. I love that. And the bird flies by to let me know that everything is everything. Sometimes there's not enough words. 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 Okay. Sometimes there's not enough words. Yeah, because it's all about the energy. It's all about the energy. Sometimes there's not enough words. Yeah, it's not enough words. Sometimes there's not enough words. Because it's all about the energy. Oh, yeah, this tree right here. Oh, yeah, she putting me on, y'all. She putting me on. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, baby. Sometimes it's not enough words. Yeah. Sometimes it's not enough words. Listen, when you are the center of your world, it don't matter what nobody else is doing out here, baby. This is about you, okay? Let them watch. Let them talk. Let them text. Let them talk, baby. Because we talking too. We talking too. Do you hear me? We talking. Sometimes you gotta make up your own language, you understand? You ain't even gotta let people know what you're talking about. Right? They already think you're crazy anyway. That's one thing I can say for absolute certainty. Grounding in Hawaii was phenomenal. If I could have walked everywhere barefoot there, I definitely would have. Being outside, feeling the breeze, putting my feet in the grass, watching the ocean, it calmed my nervous system in a way that I've never truly felt. I found myself gazing at trees in such a deep way that I have never done before. I can say just a year or two ago, I had no connection with trees. I never paid attention to them. I never felt the need to connect with them, to look at them, or any of the above. But now, since I've really started to dive into this journey of healing, my level of sensitivity and the ability to feel and connect with nature has truly transformed to the point when I'm in the presence of a tree, I can feel so much energy.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish it. If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Absolutely love coconuts. Coconut everything. Water, coconut smoothie. Coconut is my thing. And when I saw this coconut, it was so huge. I cannot believe how big it was. The taste was very different from what I'm used to as far as coconut. It was more bitter, but it gave me so much energy and I felt rejuvenated after drinking it. So it was a different experience, but I really did like it. I finished it so quick, and then afterwards, I was so energized. I stayed up all night long. Yes, I did. Oh my goodness. I have just seen one of the most beautiful things in my life. You guys know how I feel about trees. You know how I feel about trees. And I have never seen a tree like this in my life. Look at her. Look at her. We're going to get close. And I have to get the message. I have to get the message. Look at this tree. Look at this. Do you see this? Can you see this? I'm sure the camera is not doing justice. Oh my goodness. This tree is absolutely amazing. Can you see it? Look at this. I have never seen anything like this in my life. Okay, this is what happens when you travel the world, of course. And you get outside the box. Okay? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing this magic? It's magical. Oh my goodness. So we got to get it straight from the source. We have to get it straight from the source. Oh my goodness. Look at this tree. And there's so much nature happening here. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it has like a whole cave in there. Look. And this is like an opening. So many people have written on this tree. Goodness. If this isn't majestic, I don't know what is. If this doesn't tell you how beautiful this world is, I don't know what does. Look at this tree. I'm gonna have to sit with this for a minute, y'all. I'll get the message. I'll be back, okay? I'm gonna go get the message and I'll be back. Sending you love. This tree is full of life. Wow. I feel stronger. There's this level of strength and resilience in that tree that I've never seen or felt in any other tree. This tree is powerful. What am I so? Straight from the source, y'all. Straight from the source. Straight from the source. Here it is. Here it is. Straight from the source. Straight from the source. You are more powerful than you could ever imagine. Your capacity to believe in yourself has been limited, has been distorted. You are magic. And magic is far greater than you can imagine. The life of this tree. It's unexplainable. Straight from the source. Straight from the source. Whoa. Leaving that tree, I felt so much strength and power in my body. I felt like I could really accomplish anything. I truly know that I took energy from that tree and harnessed it throughout the rest of that day, which made me feel so very powerful.
So, yes, let me say, let me be honest. Stepping off the plane and the energy, okay, the energy here. Oh my goodness, it felt like I was getting this deep tissue massage, instantaneous. Like the energy in my body just shifted immediately. Like it shifted. I went from feeling like heavy and almost bogged down to feeling light. I mean, my hand literally started like doing this. And like the way I started talking, the way I started moving my body, I mean, this is upon getting off the plane, okay? I was not even here 30 minutes and I could feel the vibration that, wow, okay, I see why my soul was calling me to come here. I see why I kept thinking about it. I see why I kept dreaming about it, because truly something has been rejuvenated. Something has been rejuvenated in me. And it feels so good. It does. It feels really good to know that I'm exactly where I need to be. I'm exactly where I need to be. And it feels amazing. I really do. And I know that being here is only rejuvenating me so that I can be able to be in position to be in my purpose, right? Like that just is mind blowing. Like even as I sat here in my moment of silence and spending that time in solitude with myself, all I could think about was you guys. All I could think about was my people, my community, and all the lives and the connections that's about to expand. So I'm just so thankful for all of you, and I'm just excited for what this journey is really going to unfold. What's going to come of this, right? Let me know, where is somewhere that you plan to go? Where is somewhere that your soul is calling? Let me know, because believe it or not, I manifested this when I had to be about 10 years old. I wanted to go to Hawaii since I was about 10 or probably younger. And now I'm 35 and it has come to fruition. A mother of 7, able to come here and have this journey.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign your.
The part in the journey when you realize what inner peace is really about. Being able to sit with yourself, enjoy nature, be free, and let your inner child run wild. I found so much peace being here, being in my own world, connecting with myself. It was truly a priceless experience. This part in the journey is really about self love, because when you take a solo trip thousands of miles away from home with you, yourself, and I, it changes you. It really begins to build this trust and foundation within yourself that you realize that you yourself is your own best friend, that your connection, that your peace, that your joy, that your love comes from within. And when you have that type of realization, the amount of inner peace that you are able to access is mind blowing. I went from feeling like everything I needed was outside of me, inside of relationships, inside of connections, inside of duties and responsibilities, to truly realizing that the connection is internal. The way that I treat myself coming on this trip was about reconnecting with myself. And sometimes we have to do that. We have to walk away from everything and everyone to find that connection with self. So important.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I really enjoyed the food there. That was a squash and hummus wrap. Kale. This right here was a kale noodle salad with avocado, cilantro, bell peppers, all the greens. Oh my goodness, and those chips, they were amazing. I don't eat any meat or animal products, so this was so fresh. Oh, and it had pineapples in it with the crunchy green onions on top. When I tell you this was so good and fresh, it probably was one of my best meals there. And those chips, the flavor on those were amazing. I really enjoyed juicing there, getting fresh juices. I was so blessed to have like an organic eatery downstairs from the hotel where I can get fresh juices, vegan meals. Like, it worked out so perfectly. And then I kept seeing the royal star. I just took that as a divine message. I kept seeing that bus. It was like it was following me, different ones. Had to grab me a little snack, some quick things to eat, keep it light, some fresh sushi with just avocado and cucumber. And from there, I went on a tour to see all around Hawaii, to look at the land, to look at the different statues and the gardens. It was absolutely beautiful to take in the scenery. I will say the most, between the ocean and the trees in Hawaii, they had it neck and neck for the most amazing things I saw there. Here, the tree literally engulfed the entire sky, so you could not see it. It was like the tree had made a cave and it was covering the entire area. It was so beautiful and serene there. captivated by the water there, watching the water, being surrounded by the water. It felt as if it was baptizing me just by watching it. There is truly something powerful and magical in Hawaii. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I definitely know that it's there. My mental health, my mental space, my ability to connect was truly amplified there. The waters were truly magical. I'm so thankful for that experience. And I've had so much fun on this journey with you all. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. And something that was even more special was watching the sunset, sitting by the water and watching the sun go down. The romance of self-love was amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did. I look forward to connecting with you more. Like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with even more positive vibes, uplifting content, and things just to keep you grounded on this self-love journey, on the journey of life in general. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of the video. I really enjoy connecting with you all, so don't be shy. Talk to you soon.